Well, I've always been an admirer of his work. I first heard about him when I was in high school, and I followed his career all the time I was in the university, and finally, when I graduated from university, I moved to New York, and I had a chance to meet him at the Five Spot, and after he finished playing one night, I asked him if he would help me with the saxophone, and he graciously consented to do so. Well, in a way, the same thing I got from Cecil Taylor, that you should always be yourself and don't be afraid to play what you feel, even though sometimes it may not, the notes may not be what you want, but you should always search for new horizons. Well, I really count on him because I know he knows how the music goes, how it's supposed to be played, so he's very important for me. I didn't spend, though I recorded with John, I didn't spend that much time really learning his music. I probably spent more time with Cecil Taylor, and but Train was a hero for me and remains so. Well, we can always learn, and so I feel when I'm working with them, I'm also learning from them. They're teaching me. That's the beauty of music, that it continually evolves. I ask that of a lot of people, what's new? I mean, there are a lot of, we seem to be repeating history. And we're not really taking things to the next step. As far as what's new, it's really not new for me. As I say, I'm really going back to my tradition and the things that originally inspired me. Well, originality, spirituality, being able to construct a story and a narrative. Well, yes, of course, freedom, but freedom's hard to come by. We have to fight for that.